Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to add symbols in Photoshop. Create a new layer. Use for two symbols. First of all, step 1. Click the text symbol. Text color. Click for this text symbol. Hold Shift. Hold Shift. Then press keyboard. Or do not hold Shift. Hold Shift. Do not hold Shift. Hold Shift. Okay. And step 2. Again create a new layer. Click this shape, right click on your mouse, click custom shape tool, and now import shapes for many shape or symbol. Click all upon it. Now we can see this many symbols. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.